All right, today I want to talk through the free response item 5 that you had for yesterday. So this one says the rate at which a baby bird gains weight is proportional to the difference between its adult weight and its current weight. At time t equals 0, when the bird is first weighed, it weighs 20 grams. If B of t is the weight of the bird in grams, at time t days after it was weighed, then dB dt equals 1/5 times 100 minus b. All right, it says let y equals b of t be the solution to the differential equation above with an initial condition of 20. All right, in part A, it says, is the bird gaining weight faster when it weighs 40 grams or when it weighs 70 grams? Explain your reasoning. All right, so for part A, what we're going to do is we're going to start out and we're going to find dB dt when the b is 40. So that's going to be 1/5 times 100 minus 40, all right, which is 1/5 of 60, all right, which is going to be 12. All right, then we're going to find dB dt when b is 70. So that's going to be 1/5 of 70, or sorry, 1/5 of 100 minus 70, which is going to equal 6. Now, from there, right, we can tell that the rate of change is faster at 40. So we can say that the bird is gaining weight faster when the weight is 40 grams. So we'll say the bird is gaining weight faster when it is 40 grams, right, because dB dt when b equals 40 is greater than dB dt when b equals 70. All right, and that would be a complete answer for part A. All right, moving into